Me fa stonebwoy there. Na me de ashim butum. Ha, no afa Shatta wale de say. Wa wo boni say, na me de atwi true mu. Kwasi asho.
Ezobini tickets ba papa wutu. Na tickets ne text what the people ton ye a DJ Slim. Tickets ba ri ne mu ba ri. E de ka papa wutu. E de ka papa wutu ne ri na wutu so somebody baby sawana Mr. Slim. Anka say
you put Stonebwoy's ticket in your pocket and use Shatta Wale's ticket to rub your anus. That is a serious hate speech. And you know some of these platforms, if you are reported continuously over hate speech, I'm sure you can be taken on. But you see, as much as people are not happy about it, nobody is doing that because they know you shared an opinion that is coming from an evil part of you.
DJ Paco Rich.
Hello people, welcome to the channel. My name is DJ Paco Rich. Now, first time I share all your videos were hanging on a mesra in there, but must not subscribe to the channel because here we discuss what really matters to the industry in Ghana. It should be about Ghana Biana mo here in the bay fasting about do hantem ebaha. Every information be around with a fancy dialect and a sweet vibes and yeah, the presentation about more wahame feel pa. I have seen a lot of people sending a lot of message on the presentation that I did about Shatta Wale and at Stonebwoy. What issue about who is sabotaging who at Accra Sports Stadium. I mean, we had to take time and also listen. To forming entity responsibility, but so many things they go on to the extent today. DJ Slim, we to able to punch be a punch and it's a bit disgusting. Kakra, they bought me boy one or akere. Shatta Wale any ticket is what the bama seven the map pautu. And the Shatta Wale any ticket at the map pautu. Now it keeps Stonebwoy's ticket in your pocket, which is or a priceless to you. I mean, I'm somebody that I've had the opportunity. I mean, but I feel there's sometimes issues, but I'm kofu when in term na yareka. Sebi, woman yam finance and adren yam fantum. Mama, you make a statement based on emotions and other past. In semi bio mobile video I show what exactly DJ Slim said, and I think personally I can't support that. Obi Bakare, Shatta says worse things and horrible things than this. But let's see the nature Shatta he has for himself. And then let's check somebody like DJ Slim so what he's known for. I mean, you're a moderator, you're a media person, and I expect something, very clean and decent from you. And so this is what DJ Slim, okay.
Shows me no. Say yes Stonebwoy. And I say Shatta Wale dey no. Say December. Ni e ka se min chusu ba kwa. Obi a take it dey. Obi a take it. Stonebwoy DNA. Shatta Wale DNA. Me fa Stonebwoy there. Na me de ashim butum. Ha, no afa Shatta Wale dey say. Wa wo boni say, na me de atwi true mu. Kwasi asho.
And I think, you see, that yeah, in there, you better up your industry in your system. But say referee. I mean, I can say that DJ Slim a referee. And you'll be he played a center role in activities of your stars here. I think comment to be that nano your show. Nano your show. Sebi pa able to market it. Ubini ticket and ubini events. Ni tickets at the papa said would to be neze on your corner on your fell. They sound so well. A senior man, a big man. I mean, a colleague, but I feel that I'm asking me and Kesseye. And I think if you have to retract that statement, and it will go a long way. While my system in a decent. But anyway, Sammy Flex so will react to a summer or yes slam can today. Like and here in the position of Sammy Flex. Sammy Flex sees your Shatta Wale any team members and all. And then also when the media space or to the Canadian or the share any opinion as a But Sammy Sunday as Samana Slim Kano. So slimming him the implications of Zorkan and Korenka. Because or you hate speech. And you and I, you there social media platforms and they don't encourage them in man. Hate speech and as them either you are instigating people against Shatta Wale to boycott his craft and inside all of them. I mean, yeah, Shatta the video in some people more kike woman or you bogus or kere stonebwoy or you damn you know fuck him. It's rubbish. And me mention member kere oh yeah Shatta into ye be praise no more yeah no your phone. But two wrongs do not make a right. Shatta sebi or embeleze on in chere. DJ Slim also a media practitioner. Or they be the same mistake on fatal. In Kawunyim Zen Yenye Neankero, I was African Papa Bido. Yente Asama Sammy Flex so reply Ozema DJ Slim.
Those who are making noise, whatever they are doing, if today you are to be given tickets, this is Stonebwoy's ticket, this is Shatta Wale's ticket. To you, you put Stonebwoy's ticket in your pocket and use Shatta Wale's ticket to rub your anus. That is a serious hate speech. And you know some of these platforms, if you are reported continuously over hate speech, I'm sure you can be taken off. But you see, as much as people are not happy about it, nobody is doing that because they know you shared an opinion that is coming from an evil part of your heart.
Other Samis we concluded Slim as some okay in a kwana kumema so your 4 house or shishema the most evil part of my heart and I among common of you obey or the Shatta ni ticket or the papa too. Yes, someone. You see, I was trying to find ways to make this whole thing very peaceful. But it looks like issue ankasa we grow wako too far because in ankasa Ghana ye political space in our one. We have other people who are behind Shatta Wale and we have other people who are behind Stonebwoy. And I tell you, Stone and Shatta woman when you under why this politicians will use them for their own interests. Because waka hawo konu no man wa abahana we bonunum. Yes, someone. Okay, mo kutimpa like stadium and mama won farm wo mu bia. They should not give the stadium to either Shatta and other Stone. Na asamon fana asamon ko. So that we can live yatsana your money with in peace and not in troubles. Not disrespecting our dorsum. Sabi nga man could say my brother na my bayan. Before you guys, your parents were born, and I still why music they go on. The disrespect among yourself and you too much. And one man yankai with there, and my friend also I worry about worry because whatever there you are chopping success and for them in the one there or the right thing and the right way. Until they might want to follow. We beg you guys, with all due respect, woman when you wonderful, no 1 years or fatter. Because to whom much is given, much is expected from. Or from a parkour to the rich, a higher fancy YouTube. But must not subscribe. Now let me know your opinion about this whole issue. DJ Slim, like real? As obini tickets by Papa Wutu. Now tickets in the text what the people told you here, DJ Slim. Tickets by and a couple Wutu. And a couple Wutu and a rena Wutu somebody baby someone Mr. Slim. And Cassie. Gigi, brother paying you, but Cassana, fuck with him. Your woman that shut or Cassa by heart now, but I also didn't care or fucking things. At Asibia. Now you're not sending so, bye bye.